So, get ready with me because today is Sunday and usually every weekend nagtatry kami ng iba't ibang restaurants or cafe, like things na hindi pa namin natikman before or hindi pa namin napuntahan or napuntahan na namin at nasarapan talaga kami. Actually, ever since I started working, ganito na yung routine namin. So, every Monday to Friday is for work, although my work is flexible. Parang mas comfortable lang ako na I have this schedule. So, every Saturday or Sunday, we go out. Kasi I'm working from home and it's toughy. As a work from home girly, ang mahirap talaga is wala kang kasing social interactions. Like, sa bahay ka lang talaga, Monday to Friday. And parang yun na yung pambawi. So, every weekend, we go out. Punta kami ng mall, ganyan. Usually sa SM Pampanga. Or we eat out with friends or family. Pero mostly kami lang dalawa ng boyfriend ko. Nag-explore kami ng mga bagong bukas na restos. Or naglalakad-lakad lang kami sa mga mall. Sa SM Clark. Or minsan kasama ko yung mga cousins ko. At pupunta kami sa mga cafe sa Angeles City. And yun, we're trying to live a balanced life na hindi lang puro lagi nasa bahay. Also, we love to explore food. We're certified foodie talaga. This will be my first vlog, 9:14 a.m. And usually, we go out around after lunch na yan. Hi! So, we're going to Lubao. Kasi papasukat na ako ng outfit ko. Yung pinapagawa ko kay nanay. So, we're on the way there. I'm with my boyfriend. Meron din dadaanan namin sa Lubao. Malapit na kami. Ang hangin. Gulo-gulo na ng buhok ko. Hello guys! Say hello! Hello!
Parang mag-lecture ka naman.
What's your bias? At this point, nillock ko na lang yan si nanay. Sabi ko, baka mamaya hindi pumasok yan ha. Hindi kami nag-aaway guys, kapampangan lang kami. Malakas talaga ang boses. Sinusukat na niya ako. Yan, ang dami niya sinusukat. Si nanay ay talaga, nagtatahi. So, ayan yung parang first step. Ganyan, susukatin muna. Tapos naloloko namin siya na, totoo ba yan? Baka mamaya hindi ka siya sa akin ha. Baka mas ka. Kaya tawang-tawa kami kanina. Sabi ko, huwag mo naman ina-announce yung ko, yung sukat ko. Kasi ipo-vlog ko to. Tapos ito, ina-explain ko kay nanay kung ano ba yung shape ng palda na gusto ko. Kasi nga hindi namin alam yung mga term, ano ba yung K-line, mga sinasabi niya na ball gown daw. Kaya dinrawin ko na lang yan. Tapos, nag-discuss ko kami, ganito ba? Parang natatawa ko na nai-stress kasi first vlog ko to. Pero napakagulo, ang chaotic, ang daming nangyayari sa paligid namin. Pero usually talaga, ganito kami sa family namin. So, kung may vlog ako in the future, kasama yung family ko, asahan mo na ganito siya kagulo.
Silib! Silib! Tangan mo na kanya, tiyang leki-leki.
Rametik yan. 11:17.
Dagol me. Wala si Menay puto yan. May lupit ang kain. Itong sirul-sirul na awa.
Kay Bibin Paleta.
Apol!
Hi guys! So, this is another vlog Papunta na tayo sa Elsewhere Kitchen and Cafe Nido. It's near our town, pero we really liked it, and I want to share with you kung gaano kaganda yung place, kung gaano ka-cozy, and kung gaano kasarap yung mga food. And I'm here with Gwyneth.
Hello.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes. That's Cafe Nido. Ang ganda ng place. See?
Wow. I never been here.
Although, yes.
I
This is your first time, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
I didn't been here. I didn't been here.
We're here. Kasama natin ang family. Si Nanay. Ang aking mga cuz. Wow, change outfit yarn. Nanay, hello. Hello. Hi. First time nilang lahat dito, di ba? Yes. Eh. Let's go. This is Elsewhere Kitchen and Bar. Cool. Say hello.
Hello.
We're here at Elsewhere Kitchen Bar. In every corner of its restaurant screams aesthetic. Alam mo yun, napakaganda ng kanilang layout. Overall, it's very rustic and it's very unusual sa mga places or mga restaurants that we've been before. That's why I really like here. Also, it's peaceful and it's cozy. Tapos masarap yung food nila. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So time check 7:52 since they got our order. And they said 20 minutes. So we're waiting for our order. Gusto namin dito yung carbonara nila. It's very good. Tapos affordable din. It's 290 pesos. Pero makita nyo mamaya kung gaano siya kalaki. Actually, yung isang carbonara, parang apat kaming kumain last time. Busog na busog talaga kami. And then we ordered their flatbread. Tapos cheeseburger. Ito talaga sila. It's very Instagrammable. Kaya yan. Photoshoot muna. While we're waiting for the food. So this is their flatbread 3 cheese. Alam nyo, ang sarap niya. So it has, ayun. Okay, let's try. It's like a, it's like a pizza but it's flatbread. So, yep, it's masarap. Manyaman niya? Di ba manyaman?
Babawal.
Ayan. Wow. Try this is pepperoni. It's not.
Di ba paparas? Maparas?
Tell me if it's yummy.
Yummy.
This is yours.
Yummy ito nga, hindi pa.
Bayo kasi kitchendas ba? This is their smash burger. Hey guys, so this is their house blend iced tea. And favorite namin to dito kasi napakasarap ng house blend iced tea nila. Tinitimpla nila yan dito mismo. So hindi siya yung parang powder lang or what. Napakamura niya. So as you can see, this is like 140 lang, isang bottle ng ganito. So we ordered 2. Naman, di ba? Di ba? Makabigla. Life-changing talaga. Wow. Try mo. If life-changing na. Di ba? Sister, house blend iced tea. Manyaman talaga. Titimplan dan dili daw. Kaya talaga. Kaya talaga, di ba? Liway tang. Na? Oo, di ba? Pero hindi tiya talaga. This is 11 out of 10. Solid. Like, I've never tasted iced tea this good. Even sa mga luxury restaurants. Okay, let's try their carbonara. Meron siyang garlic bread, I think, or butter bread. Which is good.
Gogo eh. Gogo mo pa. Gogo mo ka lang, ano yung gogo nito? Gogo mo na? Okay.
Instagram.
Solo tayo pa. This is the best carbonara I've ever tasted. Dito talaga yung binabalik-balikan namin carbonara.
Bakit?
Solid 10 out of 10 talaga. Carbonara nila. So, kung pupunta ka dito, or pupunta kayo dito, order this. This is must try. Interviewed ka. Is the bread good?
Yes.
Do you like the carbonara?
Yes.
And the bacon, what can you say? Is it good?
Yes, this is good.
Are you happy? Carbonara yun. Carbonara is life yan eh.
Hanggang yung munakot na na.
Huwag na natin siyang tanungin. Kasi carbonara is life. Alam mo, pag nag-vlog ako with my family, it's very chaotic. Ang daming side, ang daming nangyayari, ang daming ganap, ang daming mga chismis. Do you like it? Ay, Galaguna. Hi, vlog. This is Gwinnett. This is my best friend.
Yeah, we're going. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po.
Hi, angels. So, ayan. Nasa bahay na kami. Nakauwi kami around 9 o'clock. Or, parang magte-10 na. So, ayun. Natapos naman natin yung mga dapat natin gawin for this weekend. Nakapagpasukat na tayo ng gagamitin outfit for the graduation. Nakapag-try tayo ng restaurant, although it's not our first time there, but it's our first time with the fam. Although napaka-chaotic ng vlog, but it's really a well spent Sunday for us, for me. And then nagawa na rin natin yung mga dapat nating gawin, yung mga loot bags, mga paper bags na pinare-prepare ko. So, yup. So, if you like this chaotic vlog, please follow me, subscribe, and like this video. And comment below if I have anything na you think I can improve pa. Because it's really my first time. And I don't know if, ano ba, mas chaotic ba siya? Is it nice? Maganda ba yung vlogging, yung editing, whatever. But, I'm really excited to meet you with the next vlog. That's it. Bye!